Hamster Kombat, how to earn. So if you want to earn on Hamster Kombat, it is one of those popular games now that you might have heard, where you'll be able to simply play games and earn money or something like that. So basically Hamster Kombat is just a mining game, right? So you play some games, mine crypto and earn money in that way. You can access it by using as a Telegram bot or anything like that. Now you can go ahead and then long press or just tap on this to mine something, but you can go to playground and play all these games, mini games and mine cards and other options like that. To be able to see, you will be able to gain this amount of profit per hour and all of those options as well. If you come to airdrop, you'll be able to see anything that you have earned, like your passive income, your task, your friends that you've invited, the achievements and keys. And you can also earn by simply referring some of the friends. You can go to the earn tab to simply complete these little follow requests and so on to be able to earn on Hamster Kombat. So this way you'll be able to earn on Hamster Kombat. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.